so I couldn't find any good videos on how to remove the actual hood latch on a 07 3 Series BMW. So there's some videos that give you an overview, but to actually get this cable disconnected is it takes a bit of know-how. So first off, you just undo all 6 bolts. First off, these ones loosens the actual latch, and then these 4 are for the actual bracket that holds the latch. So to do this, we're just going to loosen all of them. That guy's just going to hang there. Pop them all right out. We need to do that to get access to the back of the latch to remove the cable, since we need to remove the whole header panel because it's damaged and won't pass inspection without it. So okay, so there's clips and stuff. Get rid of that. Bag and tag that. Ooh. You can see the actual cable goes in there. You just want to pop off up and over a little latch on the inside. Okay, so there's a little cable end there. Just push it up and over. There we go. Popped it out that way. Oh, no, not really. That takes a bit. Slide it forward. And you can see what I'm doing now. Just get this little cable over the edge of that so it's free. And then that will just pop out just like that. Boom. Ta-da. Here's your latch all off.